Welcome back to our channel where we simplify tech for everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic. We'll explore how to find the URL for IPTV Smarters in an easy way. Let's get started. First, ensure you have your IPTV Smarters app installed on your device. Ready to go? To find your URL, you usually need to visit your IPTV provider's website. Let's navigate there. Once on the website, look for sections like Get Started or Support. It's essential. Now let's locate the M3U URL or playlist URL option in these sections. Found it yet? After you find the URL, copy it. It's an important first step to unlock your IPTV content. Next, let's return to the IPTV Smarters app on your device. Ready to paste it? Open the app and look for the Add User or Manage Users option in the menu. Select Add User and then choose Load Your Playlist or File. This is important. Once selected, you'll see an option to paste your copied URL. Do it confidently. Now you can name the user and save. Make sure to choose a memorable title. Upon saving, the IPTV channel should start loading in your app. Exciting, right? If everything works smoothly, you'll have access to endless entertainment options available. Remember, this video is sponsored by www.2tv.store, your go-to IPTV provider for the best experience. We hope you found our guide helpful in discovering how to find your IPTV URL. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.